my Jesus. And nobody would suspect a thing. We are doing a super stealthy park up tonight. We're going to go over to Pizza Hut in Shrewsbury, just around the corner from where I am now in Mill Brace. We've got to go to Aldi first and get some ingredients for a budget-friendly pizza, one that I regularly cook at home that I'm a big favourite of, and I'm going to attempt to cook it in the back of the car tonight in the Ridge Monkey. Fingers crossed the Ridge Monkey does me proud with this pizza. I've seen other people do it. We're going to try and do it as well. Let's get over there. Let's get the ingredients. And let's scope it out, shall we? To have a relatively quiet car park. That looks like that could be a potential decent spot there. Let's have a quick look at how flat that is. Let's have a look. That doesn't feel too bad. It's a little bit slopey. I can't see any signs anywhere in this car park. See a few cars mulling around. Hopefully they'll naff off a bit later on. Let's check on the other side of the car park. Hey, I tell you what, that's a quiet little spot, isn't it? I think that's probably going to draw a bit of attention to me though, I think. That's probably where the deliveries come. The last thing I want is to be woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning by a big lorry delivering pizza dough to Pizza Hut. It'd be a dead giveaway, wouldn't it? Who's just plonker parked here? But I think we're going to be all right tonight, you know? I'm feeling good, I'm feeling hopeful. One thing's for sure, if all else fails and I completely ruin this pizza, we can get a double cheese and fries. So that's our backup plan, if all else fails. Right, off to Aldi we go, let's get the ingredients. That'll do. Mozzarella. Chorizo. I can smell it. Here we go. 77p. You can't go wrong with that, can you? Might be the cheapest pizza that I think Pizza Hut have ever had on their premises. I might go a little bit posh. Get some fresh basil to sprinkle on top. What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. Why not? It'll stink out the car, but there's been worse things that have stunk out that car. Those, ladies and gents, are an absolute winner. Oh, how are you doing? Yeah, good man. That's brilliant, mate. Thanks very much. Cheers. Right, let's get in the back and get all covered up. To turn the car into stealth mode, what we need is these blackout pads here. Very easy to make. I just used some insulating foil for the interior and some blackout material to staple around the edges of it. Took me a while to cut them to shape, but it was probably the cheapest and most improvised way of getting the blackout windows sorted. You can get like custom made stuff from different companies that cost ridiculous amounts of money, so I wasn't going to do that. So these are an excellent solution to stealth mode in your car. Right, that's one up. I'll get the rest up. And for any of you wondering how am I going to cover the front cab area, it's this piece of black cloth here that I purchased. Very thin material, white on one side, black out on the other. That's going to go between the two doors there. I'll just shut them inside. Oh, Jesus. Crikey. Wasn't planning on combining a stealth camp with a storm camp, but hey ho, we improvise. Let's have a look what we're working with. Ah, damn. The spot that I wanted to park in is now taken. Damn. We have got another option. We could park here. So this, guys, is the car in stealth mode from the outside. You can just see, if you tuck your head under the window there, some light bleed from the back. And the window covers, absolutely stealthy as anything. You can just see a tiny bit of light through there. Other than that, we are good to go. Thanks, but no thanks, Pizza Hut. Don't fancy spending 20 quid tonight. I've got an Aldi special on the go. I'm gonna try and press one of these pans into this rolled out pizza base and try and make the perfect size pizza to fit across the whole pan. All right, the moment of truth. Let's try. How does that fit? Does that fit? Oh, perfect. That just about fits on there. Okay, only one thing for it. Try and press this down as much as I can and cut some dough out. Oh, go on, Brendan. All that strength, all those protein porridges. There is a car right. It's a van. Someone's pulled up in what looks like a camper van. Maybe they've got the same idea as me. Right. Okay. That's the excess dough. Oh, that smell. That smell. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the close-up of what we've got. So we've got basically a ridge monkey shaped pizza. But while we wait for that to cook slowly, let's start on the main part of the pizza, which is the sauce. All we need is a tiny bit of chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, nice little healthy squirt of that. Ooh, lovely jubbly. A crack of salt. There's no exact measurements for this, guys. You just put as much as you want in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out all right. Crack of pepper. Now, I like to go quite heavy on the basil, because I'm quite a big fan of basil. So that's a bit of basil there. Sprinkle of oregano. Before I get ahead of myself and burn the base, let's have a little look-see, shall we? Okay. All right, let's give it a flip. That's kind of like semi-done already. Some of this sauce on there, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, mama. A tiny bit more there. That's the mozzarella. Now for the chorizo. Hopefully, I can refrain from eating it all before I put it on the pizza. Let's close the lid. Keep our fingers crossed and pray. Right, I'm definitely going to make another little mini pizza out of that. So, shit. If only I had smell-o-vision. Honestly, this smell is absolutely epic. Oh my Jesus. I think we've hit the jackpot, ladies and gents. That looks incredible. I can definitely hear people outside. No, I can't see out there. Maybe you did. I won't see what you saw until I get in the edit. Testosterone lacquers. You can never get away from them. Here comes the challenge. How am I going to roll out dough without a rolling pin? Wish me luck. God. Halford's closes late. That's going to be our mini pizza. So if you can hear a lot of traffic noise in the background, this is why. Dual parry. Just there. And nobody would suspect a thing. Look at that. Oh, yes. That is the business. Let's get the presentation right. Hey, I ain't looking too bad, you know. That is out of this goddamn world. Look at the bottom of that. Just about perfect. Right. Car park's empty. A nice spot that I couldn't take before is now free. I've got my eye on it. Let's go and set the bed up. Brilliant. Okay. Nice and steady, does it? Okay, we've done it. We're in. No one saw us. Let's have a look if we can see through here. What's going on out there? Literally right next door to the restaurant there. Fingers crossed we don't get disturbed in the night. I'm hoping that whoever's in there now locking up, closing shop and tidying away isn't going to suspect a lonely little car in the corner of the car park. Right, I'm going to get undressed, get my head down, and if you don't see me before morning, it means you've had a good night's sleep. See you in a bit. One stealth camp complete. Not a bad night at all. Absolutely dead quiet car park. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a comment below, tell me what you thought. Do you want to see more of these stealth camps? Is there anywhere else you can recommend for me to go to try and be ultra stealthy? Leave a comment. Right, see you guys in the next video.